quite massive tree. A barking dog. Another barking dog. Here we have some wastewater pump, and of course the tree is leaning towards it. Okay, now I need to get the ropes to there, and there are several choices. I could use ladders, but they are that kind of death trap. I'm not using ladders. I could climb there. I'm not that kind of mood today. I could use my felling tongs. Neither that. Instead of those, I'm using my throw line. Now I have the line over the top, and I just need to take the ropes up. Yeah. Okay. Then I'm making a knot. I'm not using a carabiner because it's not so reliable than a knot, because there can be a side pull and it can break. So I'm just using a knot, and I think the English name is running bowline, and it looks like this. Here's the running part. Like that. And I'm using 2 ropes for sure, because I think there is so massive forces that I don't trust in just 1 rope. And they are there. And I think the pulling direction is there towards my car. Of course, I have to move my car when the tractor is coming. There would be lots of room, but there can be a side kick because the trunk, it won't go far enough, and I don't want to break the pump. So we are pulling it there. Here you can see the lean. it's quite a big one. about 12 centimeters. There you can see what a side cleaner makes. My aiming point was right to the perch in the middle of that in the middle of that hole, and I had a triangle like hinge, but because of the branch weight and lean it went there when the hinge broke. But this time we had lots of room there. Only surprise was that aspen almost hit my car. But sometimes a lumberjack needs also some luck. Yeah, everything is okay. Because I had a promise to destroy all of these trees beside the field. But the main thing is that the pump station, it's untouched. Yeah, I'm gonna bug and limp it.